In this video, we will write a Java program which will recursively look through a directory structure and delete some file. We are going to delete some text file. In the Java program, we are going to use SimpleFileVisitor, which we can extend and override one or more methods of it. Let's see an example of it. First, I'm going to extend this class. Then this class will extend simple file visitor, and it takes a path, and then we will define a function. This will be called automatically, and its name is public file it will return file visit result, and its name is visit file. This need to be lowercase result, and the function name is visit file. It takes path as a parameter. I will call it a file, and then basic file attributes, basic file attributes. I will name it at. This basic file attribute interface help us to find out that if the current file is a directory. This visit file function is called for every file in the directory structure. In this function, we are going to check the extension of the file, and if it matches with our file extension to delete, then we are going to delete that file. Need to import Java import java.nio package, and import java.files. It's file package. Here new is missing. And I need to import java neo package attribute attribute java neo dot file dot attribute. And now those errors are gone. We imported all those packages which are required, and this may throw IO exception. And inside it We are going to check if file get file name to string, convert the file name to string, ends with ends with .txt extension, .txt extension. If we find some file in directory structure which ends with .txt, we are going to delete that. Files dot delete and pass in our file. And then here this function file visit file will return file visit result dot continue. That means go on to next file. Okay. I also need to import Java IO for Java IO exception. Import java.io. Now in our main method, first we are going to create the object of our class, and its name is, need to create an object of our class, that is file visitor. So we need to create object of that, file visitor, and example, I will call it visitor, and new file visitor example. Now we are going to start the recursive check by calling files method walk file tree, which takes path or starting point of a directory as an argument. So we are going to give the starting point, that will be path dot get, and here I need to give the directory on which we want to loop through, or in which directory structure we want to file those txt files. So I'm just going to give this path under C. I will create a directory dir, and for the visitor we have this one, file visitor example, so that will work. It throws an exception, so I'm just gonna type it over here, throws exception. When we call these files walkFileTree, it will call visitors method visit file recursively. On every turn it will send this file visit result continue, so it will look for other file until we search the whole directory structure. Now I have this in my folder over here in C directory, the dir folder. Inside it I have dir1, and I will create more directory over here such as dir2, and in dir I will create some text file such as file1, file file 1, and also in directory 2, file 1, file 2. So our program should go through this dir folder or dir directory, and in all subdirectories, and if it finds these text files, it should delete it. Let's run it and see if it works. Run as a Java application. Run. We can see it's in dir1, it's deleted the text file, and it's also should delete the text file in dir2. Yeah, there is no text file in there, so this works. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.